In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know if your LinkedIn message was read. If you're wondering whether your LinkedIn connections are actually seeing the messages you send them, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the simple steps to help you verify if your message has been opened and read by the other person on this professional networking platform. First, make your way over to LinkedIn by opening your web browser and typing in linkedin.com. This is the first step to accessing your messages, where we'll be diving deeper into whether they've been read or not. Now, if you haven't already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials. You have the option to sign in with Google, Microsoft, or with your email address and password. It's a good practice to keep your login information secure, so make sure you're entering this information in a trusted environment. Now, for those using two-factor authentication, a great added layer of security by the way, you may be prompted to enter a verification code sent to your phone. Simply input the code and hit confirm. This makes sure that your account remains secure at all times, especially in such a professional setting. Now that you're logged in, let's discuss LinkedIn's read receipt feature. You might be asking, how exactly can you tell if your message has been read? Well, LinkedIn offers a feature called read receipts. When this is enabled by both the sender and the recipient, you'll be able to see a miniature version of the recipient's profile picture underneath the message you sent. This small icon indicates that the person has opened and read your message. Keep in mind, read receipts are enabled by default. However, users have the option to turn them off at any time. If a recipient has chosen to disable this feature, you won't see their profile picture appear, even if they've actually read your message. This can sometimes create a bit of uncertainty, so it's always good to remember these settings can vary from user to user. If you need to manage your own read receipts and typing indicators, navigate to Settings and Privacy in your LinkedIn account. From there, go to Data Privacy, and you'll find Read Receipts and Typing Indicators under the Messaging Experience section. Here you can toggle your preferences, enabling or disabling these features as you see fit. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can ascertain whether your LinkedIn messages have been read by your connections. It can be quite helpful, especially when waiting for a response is critical. Remember to adjust your settings according to your preferences to ensure the best experience on LinkedIn. Thanks for watching and happy networking.